Hi everyone, today we are going to see binary numbers. Binary number system is what the computer uses because we have normal way, we have Indian number system, international number system to represent the number system. Say for example, if I have a number, so if there is a number like this, we can say either in Indian number system or international number system, the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. If there is a this is for the Western number system, and Indian number system also we say it as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is how we represent the number system. In from ones till it goes on 10,000 or million like that. In computer understands all the instructions in the form of binary numbers. In the binary numbers, we will have zeros and ones. That zeros and ones in different combination gives you different values or different numbers. So there will be 8 digits. We have totally 8 digits. The total 8 digits we start from 0 to 255 is the numbers in binary digits. Say for example, here, let me show this explanation of how the decimal is converted into binary numbers through this card. This card gives you a clear explanation. Now, when I close, so here, let me open all the cards over here. So these cards are binary representation cards. Now I have the cards like this one, the binary numbers, place value will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So 1 will be 2 to the power of 0 will be 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 4 is 60. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So this is how the numbers are represented. Now, when you close all these cards, the value becomes 0 over here. Can you see? The value is 0 because all the cards are in off state. When I close the card, they're in off state. When I open the card, that is on state. And number of digits on top of that, the number of dots has to be counted to know what number it is. So let me start with number 0. So 0, to have a number 0, we have to close all the cards. This is an off state. So let me for first initially single digit, I'll consider last 4 digits alone, last 4 cards alone. Please focus on for the single digit numbers. So first for 0, it is all are 4 zeros. Then I'm opening the first card in the rightmost one, that is 1. So here 1 is 1 in the binary numbers is represented as 0001 because these 3 cards are off state, this is an on state. Next, I want to represent 2. So in that case, I have to open the second card, so which has 2 dots. So here the 2 is represented as 0020. This is 0010, sorry, 0010 because other cards are off state, the second card is opened here, so which has 2 dots here, 2 to the power of 1, which is 2, 0010. The third card, so now we need 3. So to have 3, I'm opening the last 2 cards, which is 2 dots plus 1, which is 3 here. So here also you can see this, 3 dots are there, so the value is 3. So 3 is represented as 00. First 2 cards are off, then 1, 1. Then 4, if I want to have 4, I can open this card 4, close the rest of the cards. Here there are 4 dots. 4 can be represented as 0, 1, 0, 0. And then to have 5. So now 4 we have seen, 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Now to have 5, I'm opening this card and this card because 4 plus 1 is 5. Add the dots here, 4 dots plus 1 dot. You can see 5 dots here. To represent in binary number, 5 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is how 5 is represented. 6, you have to represent 6. These two can be opened. The middle values can be opened, middle cards 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, So that will be 0, 1, 1, 1. This is 7. 8. Open 8. So this one, the first card alone, this first here, 1, 0, 0, 0. This card can be opened to have 8. And 9 will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Finally, 10, if you want, you have to open these cards. So this 1, 0, 1, 0 to get 10. This 1, 0, 1, 0. So hope you are able to understand how this binary number system works. And if you want to go with higher values, you can open all the other cards and get to know how the dots are represented. Okay, thank you.